Hello friends, in this video we will revise our understanding of various number systems. First we had natural numbers and they were from 1, 2, 3, 4 going up to positive infinity. And on a number line we started like this: 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on going to infinity. Then to these set of numbers, natural numbers, we added a 0 and that gave us a new set of numbers called as whole numbers. And 0 was to the left of 1. So now we have whole numbers. Then we went ahead and added negative numbers to the left of 0. And those negative numbers also extended till the negative infinity. So on this side. Now we had these numbers from negative infinity to positive infinity. But we saw there were lots of gaps between them. And these gaps were filled in by other number which were in the form p upon q, where p and q both were integers and q not equal to 0. So these type of numbers were rational numbers and they were situated between these numbers. So whatever these gaps are there, in those gaps those rational numbers were situated. And we know that all the natural numbers were part of rational number set. All the whole numbers also were part of rational number set. Integers too were part of set of the rational numbers. So this was a hierarchical structure. We saw that the integers 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, they are successive integers, consecutive integers. Between these two consecutive integers, there is no other integer. So if we have any consecutive integer like 2 and 3, these are consecutive integers. Between them, there is no other integer in between them. Or 0 to 1, no other integer between them. 0 to minus 1 on this side, no other integer there. So we could find consecutive integers. We were able to find the consecutive integers. Now we try the same for rational numbers. Let's say we have a rational number 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 3. So we have these two rational numbers, 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 3. Now at the first instance they look to be consecutive rational numbers. We know the rational numbers, we can find equivalent rational numbers. So let's say if I find equivalent rational number by multiplying by 10. So 1 by 3 now becomes 1 into 10 by 3 into 10. So I get 10 upon 30. Same way 2 upon 3 will become 20 upon 30. So now if we compare these two numbers, 10 upon 30 and 20 upon 30, we have 11 upon 30, 12 upon 30, 13 upon 30 and so on up to 19 upon 30. All these rational numbers, they are between these two, which is they are between these two. Because 10 upon 30 is nothing but 1 upon 3. 20 upon 30 is nothing but 2 upon 3. So 11 upon 30, 12 upon 30, 13 upon 30 up to 19 upon 30, they are between these two rational numbers. So maybe we have found our consecutive rational numbers now. Is it? Now if I do find equivalent rational number of 11 upon 30 by multiplying by 10, then I will get 110 upon 30. Same way, 12 upon 30, I can get equivalent rational number as 120 upon 30. And now I see between these 11 upon 30 and 12 upon 30, I have 111 upon, sorry, here it is 300. 111 upon 300, 112 upon 300, 113 upon 300, and so on up to 119 upon 300. So even between these two rational numbers, we have more rational numbers. And so if I go on doing this again and again, I find that I will be able to find a rational number between any two rational numbers. And that clearly means that we have infinite number of rational numbers. So in this small space, there are infinite number of rational numbers everywhere. We can find more and more by magnifying that area. You can find more and more rational numbers. There are two main methods of finding rational numbers between two rational numbers. We'll see them right now. Let's see method 1. In method 1, we find the mean of the given two rational numbers. So if I want a number between 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 3, what I do is find mean, because the mean is going to be in between them. So mean of these two numbers is 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 addition divided by 2, because there are two numbers. So that would be 3 upon 3 divided by 2. 3 upon 3 is 1. So 1 divided by 2, that is 1 upon 2. And therefore 1 upon 2 would be between. Now if I want more, then I can find a number between 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 2. Again by finding mean. So I will find a number here. Or 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 3. So I can find one number between them. And so on I can continue doing, and I can find continuously, I can find number between them. So this is method 1 by using the mean. Let's see the method 2. In method 2, we directly find whatever number of rational numbers we want to find. For example, let's say between 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 3, I want to find 5 rational numbers. Step 1 is, first we need to have the denominators same. Now in this example, the denominators are already same. So we don't need to do step 1, we can directly go to step 2. Step 2 is find equivalent fraction by multiplication. Now we need to know the multiplier, and the multiplier should be number of rational numbers we want to find plus 1. Now you can take any number more than this, but plus 1 is good. So in this case, step 1 is done. In step 2, the multiplier is going to be 6. 5 plus 1, because we want to find 5 rational numbers. So in this case, our multiplier is going to be 5 plus 1, because we want to find 5 rational numbers. So 6. And so 1 upon 3 will become 1 into 6 upon 3 into 6. That is 6 upon 18. And 2 upon 3 will become 2 into 6 upon 3 into 6, which is 12 upon 18. And the rational numbers in between them are 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 upon 18. 7 upon 18. We got 5 rational numbers. This is method 2, in which we find directly the amount of rational numbers that we want to find. I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comments section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the YouTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.